Hey everyone, okay, so I have actually done over 4 peels now, well 4 peels exactly now, and I wanted to give you an update on my experience with it and any problems and side effects and results that I may have achieved. It was an interesting process, so I did expect there to be downtime even though they said there wasn't, and there was no downtime at all, other than the skin felt a little bit dry sometimes. But that lasted a day or two, nothing else. I did have some minor irritations each time I did it. And what I mean by that is like very, very minor breakouts, but these were irritation breakouts and not a true breakout. The one thing that it was very apparent from these peels was that it left my skin feeling just like glass. The skin was so smooth after it. Now I performed the peels in sections, so I did one peel and then I waited around about 9 days and then repeated it. It can be repeated once every 7 to 14 days. I tended to wait about 9 days between each and every peel. There is nothing for me to say that's negative about it. I knew that there were risks involved in me doing this, and I took those, on board, and it was my choice to do it, and I think I achieved pretty good results from it. Now, I didn't really know what I was going to achieve with it. So let me show you a kind of before and after, and you can see around the eye area, there has been some improvement, absolutely. But the biggest improvement really just came with the texture of the skin. The skin just feels so ridiculously smooth and soft and, amazing. And the fact that these peels cost me £150 for 5 vials, and in each vial, considering I've got a beard so I don't really use that area, I get 3 peels per vial. So I've got enough for another 2 series. I'm not going to be doing them anytime soon. What I am going to be doing, because this is the year of the peel, is I'm going to give my skin a rest now, and then I'm going to start on some glycolic acid peels. Once my skin's rested, I'll start on a series of 8 of those, then I'll rest again for 6 or 8 weeks, and then I'll restart another session. And I'm going to kind of alternate between this over the course of a year. And at the end of the year, we'll kind of see what the results I've had from doing all of these treatments. I do kind of wish though, if I'm honest, that I had started these much earlier. I am 43, 44 in a couple of months, and I wish I started them much, much earlier in my 30s. Just because of I can totally understand why people rave about peels. I have some TCA peels, the true TCA peels, but I'm really not interested in using those because I do not want the downtime that's associated with them, the peeling of the skin and the having to stay in. I'm not interested in any of that kind of stuff. So that's really not going to happen, I don't think, anytime soon, put it that way. But it's an interesting process, and I'm excited to see the results over a course of a year. Absolutely. Let me know what your thoughts are on this process I'm doing, and if you've had skin peels before, whether at home or at the doctor's office or dermatologist, what your thoughts were on it, and whether it's something you like to do, are going to continue to do, or you've had negative reactions and decided not to. Let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching. This was the update, and I'll see you all soon. Bye-bye.